Hello everyone, we've come here today to Bourneville College, a multi-million pound site that has been constructed and developed by Shepherd Construction, one of our great clients. We have been asked to come here to carry out some cosmetic repairs in which some internal doors and external fire doors have been damaged throughout the build. Later on we will be taking you inside to speak to Chris, one of the site managers, who will give you a little bit more on what we've been doing inside as a company and basically his feedback as a client, and we'll see you a little later on to speak to him. Thanks very much. Yeah. I think as long as we can get, all the internal stuff done, we can we've come here today to Birmingham, to Bourneville College, where we've been doing some internal door repairs and some external fire door resurfacing for Shepherd Construction. I have with me here Chris, who's one of the site managers on site today, and he's going to basically give you a little bit of info onto what we've done with them and whether we did a good job. Chris?
Yeah, basically we've had some damage to a lot of the doors, and we brought new life in to repair them. Rather than replacing the doors, it saved us a lot of money and also a lot of lead-in time that we would have had to wait and put us past the handover date. So thanks to New Life, they're repaired. You can't tell that they're repaired. They've done that good a job, and very pleased with the service.
Brilliant stuff. So would you definitely recommend us to another company or within Shepherds themselves?
Yeah, definitely. Not too sure about another company or the competition, but definitely put them on our supply chain, be using them in the future. But if another company were to look at New Life, I'd definitely say they'd be happy with the results that they're going to get.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Thanks very much, and we'll see you again soon.